Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. So in today's episode we are going to talk about system sleep function. This function allows you to pause your code. So you are going to use it when you need to pause execution of next line. And now I'm going to write one example. Don't worry, I'm going to talk about for loop and the loops in general in upcoming episodes, and for now I'm just going to create one loop that is going to repeat certain code 5 times. First thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to print value of our iteration. Then I'm going to print one dot, and now system sleep function. Now as argument to this function you are going to provide actual length of your pause. So if I type 1, that means that my code is going to sleep for 1 second. If I type something like 13.5, that means that my code is going to sleep for 13.5 seconds. So in this first case, I'm going to say something like 0.5, so 500 milliseconds. Now another printing, now 2 dots. Another system sleep function. Now I'm going to sleep for 2.5 seconds. Another message, let's say 3 dots, and finally final sleep for 3.5 seconds. Okay, this looks nice. I'm going to execute this code and let me show you what we have. So we are going to repeat this piece of code 5 times. So we have a small pause of half a second in between this first dot and second 2 dots. Now after 2 dots we have how much? 2.5 seconds pause, and in here after 3 dots we have 3.5 seconds pause. Alright, so that's all for this episode, guys. I hope that you are going to find this content useful, so please like, subscribe, and see ya!